Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited to do this video for you guys today. It was completely unexpected. I received a message from an essay at Nordstrom saying that one of my items for my wait list, or that I've been on the wait list for what feels like forever, finally came in. So I have that to share with you guys. And then I also picked up a little something from Joe Malone. I am waiting on a couple other goodies that I did order online. They were supposed to be here today. They're not. I really want to open my package, so I'm probably just going to do an unboxing on Insta Stories. It's nothing too exciting. I mean, exciting for me, but nothing super thrilling. So let's just go ahead. So I am going to hold you all in suspense, and we will first start with my Joe Malone purchase. So, of course, I had to pick up for something new from Joe Malone. If you guys haven't checked out the counter lately, you should. You should. They have a bunch of new scents. Well, they have, I think, 4 or 5 new scents. So I ended up picking up one of those. Came in this box here. And the scent I picked up is Poppy and Barley. Which looks like so. I love the bottle. It's like a different, it's kind of like a rough material down here. And then the smooth on top. And it's the baby So like I said, I got the scent Poppy and Barley. I went and I smelled these maybe like a week and a half ago or so, and I wasn't too thrilled about them, but I also was still like really nasally and sick. I know I feel like a broken record, you guys. I am always sick. I don't get it. Like, I don't understand. It's always the same thing too for me, so I need to figure that out. As you can tell, I'm still like struggling to be able to breathe and talk at the same time. So anyway, I thought I would give it another smell, and I'm so glad I did because I totally fell in love with this one. It's a very fresh scent. It's very floral. I think the notes in here were white musk, poppy, some other flower, barley, I don't know. These are supposed to be inspired, these are inspired by English fields. So they have a lot of very earthy scents, and I really like this one though. I definitely recommend checking them out. And I think this, because they are limited edition, so I wanted to share that with you guys too right away. They are limited edition, I believe, and this is the 30 ml. Yeah, 30 ml was $70, so it's $5 more than the standard size. Okay. And then with that, she just gave me some samples. They're somewhere in here. I think I just got mimosa and cardamom because I really wanted to try that scent out. Alright, are you guys ready for the next reveal? I think he gave me a cosmetic bag. I'm not sure, but I thought that it was sweet because he knows that I really like all the little details. And because this is a Chanel inside of our Nordstrom, it's not technically like its own standalone boutique, so usually you don't get like any of the little details to go along with your items. But he did for me, and I thought that was really sweet. So I have the tissue here that says Chanel all over it. And then inside, I have the box with the ribbon and a camellia. He included this. It was so sweet, I thought. And I have my little card here, or a little card with my receipt and his business card. His name is Mark from Chanel Mall of America. Alright, so I'm scared to open this, you guys. I don't want to take it apart. Okay, so I'm just going to suck it up, and I wonder, maybe I'll be able to just, oh, I think I can just slide it off. Maybe not. Yes. And so now everything is still intact. Yay. Okay, so here is the box it comes with. And when you open it up, I have the little, I'm guessing this is the care booklet. Yep, the care booklet. And cute little wrapping. You guys, I have been waiting for this item for literally what feels like forever. So, it comes in a little drawstring pouch, like so, which is super adorable. Oh, I like that. Alright, are you ready to see what I got? Hopefully, yeah, this is the front. Okay. Ta-da! So, like I said, I have been waiting forever. I've been on the list for classic one. I've been on a few seasonal ones, and I don't know why, if they just don't come in, our store's too small, or what, but I've never, like, got to hold one. I'm sorry, I lied. I did get to see one. It wasn't a classic look like this, and I just wasn't drawn to it. So, anyway, but I finally have one. This is in black caviar with gold tone hardware and then the burgundy inside. So let's see the inside. Has a bunch of tissue and all the tags. So the authenticity card, which I guess I could show you guys. And then here is the card for it. It just says, I'll insert like a close-up for you guys because you probably can't read it. And this boy retailed for $475. It just says O Case in black and burgundy because it is the classic one. So let's just take a little look at it. It is so beautiful. It is soft. I know that there's a couple different varieties of this. This has the fabric interior where some almost have like a nylon, I don't know how to describe it, more of like a wipeable interior, but this one does not. It says Chanel made in Italy, and it is just stunning. I adore it. The gold hardware is gorgeous. And I'm just so incredibly excited to use it. I absolutely love the little CC detail here on the end. I'm just so in love, you guys. I think it is so cute, and I'm so happy to finally have one in my collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and I will see you very soon. Bye.